I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file annual reports for an LLC in North Carolina. This essential yearly filing keeps your business information current with the Secretary of State. It ensures your limited liability company remains in good standing and maintains its legal protections. Understanding this process is crucial for all North Carolina LLC owners, regardless of business activity or income. Let's go through the steps to keep your business compliant. When preparing your annual report, you'll need to gather specific details about your LLC. This includes your official business name and its principal office address. You must also provide the name and address of your registered agent. Additionally, you'll need to list the names and addresses of your LLC's members or managers. Finally, a brief description of your business activities is also required for the filing. Filing your annual report is straightforward, with two main options available. You can choose to file online through the North Carolina Secretary of State's website, which is often the quickest method. Alternatively, you may submit a paper form by mail. The filing fee for an LLC annual report is $200. If filing online, there might be a small additional electronic processing fee, typically $2 or $3, making the total $202 or $203. The annual report for your North Carolina LLC is due every year by April 15th. Your first report is due the year following your LLC's approval. While there are no immediate late fees, failing to file will lead to a notice of grounds for administrative dissolution. You then have 60 days to submit the report. If you miss this window, your LLC could be administratively dissolved, losing its liability protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.